Hello, Iboan. Welcome to the channel. You know who I am. I don't want to introduce him myself. Yeah, today I got the another job from towmycar.uk. This is the platform I'm talking. Yeah, I got the another job from this platform. Right. You thought why am I talk with this platform? Basically, this is nice platform if someone in a recovery field towing business, if someone need a more leads, more jobs, more income, this is the platform you need to sign up. Let's go to the job, and once I get the job to the on board, I'll let you know what's going on and what happened. Actually, this truck filled up with electrician guy nearly 4.5 months. So that 4.5 month we get many inquiries and some leads we didn't use. Basically, they call, we spend harder time to get the leads. Once we get the lead, we can't make it complete. If I can't complete that jobs, it's wasting. These days, very hard to find the leads. Then imaging if it waste is not good. So that's why I plan this website. It's called towmycar.uk. Then after that, now all around UK, more than 270 drivers registered this platform and they are get additional income. Yeah, let's go to the job and I'll let you know what I done for the that leads. Okay, I already loaded the baby. She's behind me. Right, let's go to the destination. So now I have a question to you. Basically, imagine truck stay on a one place 4.5 months. What are you going to do that 4.5 months? You go and argue with that electrician, or what are you going to do? Yeah, comment section open. Leave the comment. I'm happy to see your comment. And also, last couple of months, many people call me and many people get inquiry from me. Oh, Charlie, I need to do this thing. I need to start that one. I have this money, that money. Yes, all fine. Because they call me, they got some ideas from me. Last month, I got around 15 inquiries. So then I'll took my time, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, sometimes little bit longer than that. Then I over the phone help him. Some people turn into my place. They came to me and they talk with me and they get more information from me. So after the first inquiry, then maybe 7 people call me back and start for the second step. But however, I'll talking about my last month, only one person get it to the ball and he started as another recovery like me. Many people inquire, it's good for the inquire, but to be honest, if you doesn't have a confidence yourself, don't please call me. Basically, it's waste my time and your time. What happened, many people call me, take ideas, then after that they leave it for the while, then after that automatically give up the process, then wasting. Because first of all, you need to self confidence yourself, and after that call me, then I can get you into the ball, whatever you needed, whatever money in your hand. Then you need to go through the process, because I'm only the teacher. I can't swim behalf of you, I can't start the business behalf of you. Some people call and ask, Charlie, I have this money, I'll give it to you, can you start the business? No, I'm not take any money. I don't want to start any business behalf of someone. That's why I'm doing myself, and I'll prove you what I can do, what I done. Then you have to start your own. You have to go to the water. You have to dive into the problem and go through the process. You will be success sooner. That's the thing I need to say. So get your confidence yourself. After that, call me. Then I can help you. Right. Then after 4.5 months, you know, I many times thought I'm going to kill him. To be honest, so I don't want to upset anyone. Then that's why I start tow my car website. If you someone need to develop like this platform, I'm the ideal person for that one. I have all gears, I have all experience. I prove you, I done, and I'll show you I can do it. So if you need to start like a platform like this, or if you need to start your own YouTube channel, TikTok channel, SEO, website, whatever, I have all experience. You can contact anytime. I'm happy to help you. So you know already what I done now. Once I go to the my destination, I'll show you how about my platform towmycar.uk. Right. Safely come out. When you work with the heavy load, save your back. Most time, don't bend and do the job, because I was nearly 14 years in this field. Then now some days little bit pain in my back because of that. Always when you lift up something, or when you want to pick up something, try to knee down as much you can. Then it's very helpful for your back. First, I'll park the truck and I'll come back to you. Right. Hope you have a rough idea about the platform. So, if someone looking for recovery or tow to your car, this is the ideal website, because many drivers in the website, what you have to do, simply you need to log into the platform like this, and you can enter your vehicle registration number here like this, and it will go to the another page. Then after that you can fill your all details, name, email address, phone number. Especially when you add the phone number, make sure add correct phone number, because we will send the text message to you regarding the quotation, or regarding any question driver has. They will contact through your mobile number. Then after that you can add pick up postcode, drop off postcode, and you can add the your job title is like the tow recovery, breakdown assistant, accident repair, jump start, scrap. Yeah, you can add everything. And if you have a special note, you can add special note there, and you can send it to the driver. Then after that, drivers who in the network, they will reply you. Then after that, if you some reason not happy for the quotation, don't step back. You can chat with the driver. Okay, I'm happy with the 50 pound. You quoted me 100 pound. Whatever is in your mind, type there and send it to the driver. If driver happy, driver will reply, and you can get the bargain job. That's why this platform very value for the customer also. Well, always you can bargain and you can get the good price for your job suit for you. So thanks for watching. If you have any question, comment, suggestion, comment section open for you. And also if you need to someone get the ideas from you, always welcome to call or email, whatever prefer. I'm here to help you. Always keep in your mind, if you need to start something, go for a until end. Try, think, and halfway don't step back, because end of the day you wasting your time and you wasting my time, and also we didn't get any benefit for that one, just talking. So I'm here, happy to help you. I done. If I done, you can do also well. Thank you. See you in the next video.